heard about exciting things happening and which have others which have already happened. But this slide is just to remind you how you can get involved. I always say this, the easiest, the most straightforward is to buy and HODL. Hold on for your dear life. It's not a spelling mistake. It's actually one of the languages used in cryptocurrency. So here you are literally investing in that coin. You buy the coin, you keep it. If you wanna go this road, this is a medium to long term. The value of the cryptocurrency is not now, it's in the future. You buy, you keep, and give it a year, give it 2 years. Once again, $27 became 56 million US dollars in less than 10 years. Just buy and you keep it there. How do you do that? Remember, although there'll only be 21 million coins produced, each coin can be divided to 100 million people. I'm referring to Bitcoin and Bitcoin Vault. The way you can share $1, 1 shilling, 1 naira, 1 cedi to 100 people and everybody gets a cent, the same concept applies here. So you don't need to buy a full coin. You can buy a fraction of the coin. We call it a Satoshi. Okay, so here you don't have any limitation. Just go, if you're in South Africa, register with Val or Luno or Altcoin Trader, or if anywhere, like you just register with the exchange that's available in that country. We have Val, local Bitcoin, Coinbase, Luno, Binance. Actually, talking of Binance, I heard now you can actually buy Bitcoin using M-Pesa in Kenya through Binance. I trust Binance is the top exchange, and hopefully soon, as you can see, if you want to buy a Bitcoin Vault, you would need to first buy Bitcoin because it hasn't been listed on most of the local exchanges that we use. So you buy Bitcoin and then you convert Bitcoin using any of these exchanges like Liquid, Coinil, MXC. You know, they are growing every day, but I just listed few of them, you know, and you convert the Bitcoin to Bitcoin Vault because Bitcoin Vault has more energy, you know. So we want to see it growing to what the value of Bitcoin is at, and it's going to even do better because there is more education behind it. The second way is trading. Here you can make millions and lose millions within a second. Or what I can say is, here you spend time looking at the charts, the support, the resistance. Should I buy? Should I sell? Is it time to, you know, because if you dare do the opposite, you're gonna feel it. I have done that because I'm a trader. Not I was sort of like, until you feel you're able to support the whole community, not a trader. I'm a wannabe trader, but I do understand the basics. When you are trading, you buy low and you sell high. Okay? Is that clear? Because people tend to do crazy things. When you see the market is dropping, you're not selling. You don't sell low. Okay. So here, because we have two ways you can trade. You can short the market. Shorting the market is you see the price has gone to the highest, you think that's the highest possible, you sell. As it's dropping, the difference between the price at which you sold and the price at which it stops, that's your target profit. The difference, that's your profit. Okay? Or the other way around. So if you want to be successful with cryptocurrency, just buy and hold. These will drive you mad, but you see a lot of money there. As I said, where do these coins come from? The third way is mining. Mining, you can make a lot of money passively. As I said, a lot of people started mining Bitcoin Vault when it had no value, because mining, you just remember, out of the 21 million coins that we're gonna be having, and I'm now going a little bit deeper into the mining process, but just to make this simplest possible, mining, you can say mining is production of new coins.